When I was describing the York Bolton steam plant and mill engine, I did mention that the same company, Vision Engineering or Historic Steam Models, had made a agricultural engine, the Merlin. And so I thought I'd just put a quick video on this model that I made in about 2007. I think I got it from Vision Engineering in about 2003. Now, this is an agricultural engine of around 1880, and it was manufactured in France and pulled by horses along using this axle there, and it had about 8 horsepower. These engines were extensively used for driving threshers and other farm machinery during the heyday of steam power. Now this is a it's really quite an accurate model, scale model of the original, but it is actually driven by an electric motor, and the electric motor is in the front cylinder in here. I just turn it around, and the motor is actually in there, and the power from it is from the just the actual electricity switch down here, but it picks up the DC power through these 2 wheels. There's a little contact under each wheel here that picks up the power, and when you turn the switch on, you can see that it goes around, and that's the governor there, and it, as I say, is really quite a realistic model. It was a vertical boiler there with the with the fire door there, and pressure gauge, water gauge for it. This is the brake actually for these rear wheels, so you could put the brake on so that that would be stable. And as I say, it was about an 8 horsepower model, and I find this one is really, I mean, it's a pretty engine. It really looks nice. This chimney folds down here and would go across to there. Will fold down. It's just bolted up there, bends here, goes over to there, and it is really good for shows, exhibitions, such that if if you wanted to have a model, a realistic model that's running, and particularly many places, at least in Canada, will not allow you to have a fire in them, so you can't use steam models. This is a very good model to use, and really all you have to do is oil up the parts a bit. Anyway, I made this in about 2007. Quite a complex model to make, actually, because it is, as I said, pretty realistic to scale. And it was enjoyable to make. It's a shame it's not steam in one sense, but then the company were going to make a steam model, but unfortunately I think they went into bankruptcy before they got a chance to make that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and it follows on from my other video from Vision Engineering on the York Bolton model.